Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have received my Pandahall items. This is a collaboration video with them and I have selected so many pretty things and I'm so excited to show you guys. Let me start off by showing you guys what I have grabbed in the key ring section. You get them all individually packed like this in a zip bag so you can easily just gift it to your friends by adding a small bag topper here if you like. But the details that I found is so wonderful. Look at this. This is a flower moon with the bunny on here with the cherry blossom sakura flower. Oh my gosh, so pretty, right? Look at all of that details and such good size for gifting as well or just to dangle on things. So pretty. Then I have discovered some silicone focal beads in the Easter theme. And this one you get 20 pieces. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Look, you guys. Can you see all the details and such pretty colors? I love the shape of the basket and the bow size is just perfect. And this will be so perfect to use for your beadable items. And you get 20 in a bag. Then I have discovered this one here. You also get 20 in a bag. How pretty is this chickadee in the Easter egg? Oh my goodness. How sweet. She's got like little pink cheeks and the little cute eyes and the pink bows. And the holes are perfect for your beadable items. And it's really chunky as well. Such a nice accenting piece for your beadable goods. I absolutely love them. Then you guys, I discovered this. This one you can put on top of the bubblegum size beads, I reckon. I have to discover what size bead will exactly fit this nicely. But look how pretty this is. This is bunny headband. And with the little pink bow. How pretty is this? And you get this little container. Look at this, you guys. So adorable, right? It's absolutely perfect Happy Mail gift. It's also perfect for your beadable goodness. And then, while I was looking at all of these, I also wanted some heart beads with the bigger holes. So I found this one here. And this one contains 200 pieces. And look at the color of the hearts, you guys. Isn't it so pretty? I love the size of the hole, so I can use it for beadable pen too if I wanted to. But I am thinking of using some thicker yarn maybe, or string. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. Then I have also found this one here. This one is selection of different bunnies in here and you get 100 pieces. And let me grab some out to show you. Look at this, you guys. Can you see why I picked it? You get strawberry as well. And you get a little girl wearing a strawberry headband. But there's lots of bunnies in this pack. Here's a bunny holding a strawberry. Here's another kind of bunny sitting on top of a strawberry. And look at this bunny wearing a pretty pink dress with the strawberry decoration on her ears. And this one is carrying a strawberry. So pretty. And this one is it's a bunny in a strawberry. Look, so pretty. And you even get a heart with the strawberry and the icing. Look at that. And the double strawberry. And then you get a strawberry house as well. Oh my goodness. This was like a treasure. So pretty. And you get 200, hang on a minute. You get 100 pieces in here. So precious. I found a bead that looks like Easter egg. But it's like a royal Easter egg. And these, you guys, they came packaged really nicely in the bubble bag. And I believe you get 10 pieces. And this is a mixed color pack, but I also got a pink pack. Let me carefully get them out to show you. These are individually wrapped, you guys. Look at that. They're individually wrapped. And if I open one, look, you guys. Can you see? This is magnificent. It is so, so pretty. It's a faceted hat, and it's got like faceted gems all around it with the tiny flower pieces. Can you see how special this is? And it's got big enough size hole. I'm really hoping I can use it for beadable pen, but we shall see. Oh, I am so in love with this. So, so in love with this. And you get so many different colors in this pack. Let me open another blue tone. Look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. And then here's another color tone. Look, you guys. Look at that color. That is so magical. So, so magical. So I grabbed a pack of the mixed one. Then I grabbed this one here. This was just in the pink, but it's got like an oval gem in the middle. Look, you guys. Look how special this is. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Can you see all the flowers around it? And look how chunky it is. So pretty, right? Oh my goodness. Let me put several on my hand to show you how beautiful they are. So, so pretty. Look at them, you guys. So pretty, right? So that is all of the beautiful items I discovered at Pandahall, you guys. Make sure you guys go have fun as well choosing your items, and don't forget to use my discount code. I will have all the information in my description area. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.